Phoenix Down, and welcome to a gameplay of Left 4 Dead. I used to be a monster at this game, but I haven't played this game on Expert in years, and that's what we're going to do. I'm going to try to, not Zoe. Black. Gotta be the black guy. Anyways, I'm going to try to be Lewis. Well, I'm going to try to beat this on Expert, and it went back to normal. Try to beat this on Expert. I can't promise any, no deaths, but let's see how far I get. And if I rage the fuck out, I rage the fuck out. Excuse my language, huh? Cussing a fucking lie. This is loud in my headphones. Alright, so my method to this is just to run. I should just run and hope for the best. The computer, if anyone played this game, you guys should know that the computer is not the best choice for teammates. They don't know what to do. So I'm just gonna run, but I'm not gonna run carelessly. I feel like the shotgun is the best weapon, at least on Left 4 Dead 1, because it pushes the zombies back. Get off me, son. I thought she was gonna run around the corner. I tried to time that headshot. I fucked that up. I wish Left 4 Dead 1 had melee weapons, but I am glad they entered that in the second one. It was a good thing to put in. But little help doesn't do you, like against, of course, the tank and the witch. And the fucking boomer. Bitch! Damn it, who killed the fucking... I can't fucking see shit. Take my ass in this bathroom. I tried to kill that boomer, but someone fucking shot him. Good job. See that smoke in the background though. Best choice is just to go. Woo! That headshot. Oh fuck! She hit me. Someone's about to get grabbed. I get a Molotov. I need that. All right, we can go this way. That smoke about to get someone. Most likely me. Watch. This motherfucker don't know when to fucking quit. Sorry, I'm gonna try. I'm sorry, you guys. I cuss so much. I know most of you don't care, but still, kids, watch this. This okay, they got him. I mean, I guess I could change this sensitivity. Woo! I could change the sensitivity, but I'm kind of lazy. It's kind of too fast for me. Get off him. Where the fuck is the hunter at? Oh, it didn't even kill it yet. Off me. Best to go in the fucking here. Alright, I forgot what I was talking about. I'm just ranting. Yeah, I think, like I said, I think it's best to run, but that's better to do on co-op. With the computer, you kind of got to stay back and protect it because they're idiots. I mean, if you get grabbed by a smoker, pounced on by a hunter, or in general, you just go down, you're going to need a teammate. You can't do this all by yourself. I mean, I know some people are like, I bet you I can. I mean, yeah, there's people good enough to do this by themselves completely, but I'm not that good. No screwing around, just gonna close the door. There's no need to mess around with it. Alright, I better heal myself and take a health kit before these things do. I'm trying so hard not to cuss. Damn, he got took! Did y'all see that? He fell off the edge! I'm just making them angry. Alright, about to dart right down there to that wall. And a good look, y'all. Damn, Francis! We just started! Oh my gosh! Francis, how did you leave the health kit? None of you took a health kit. They got, oh my goodness. We better not die because you guys are.
Red line north is the way.
I can just use them as bait. I hear zombies. I hope I don't run into a tank before I get the automatic shotgun. That would be the worst case scenario. Cause these first weapons, these little submachine guns and shotguns, this is not something to go against a tank against. Woo! I seen him. Got to jump at me too. Good shot, Zoe. Get off me. How'd I miss her? With the shotgun that close. I mean, I know I got the best of aim, but damn. Oh, fuck. Horde. Y'all was smart. Y'all get back here with me. What the fuck is that? Boomer. Alright, they got him. Get off him. He just tried to get me, didn't he? Where is he at? There he is. Ooh, I'm about to load off on him. Alright. Alright, good shot, Zoe. I wasn't getting him. Like I said, y'all, I'm not as good as I used to be at this. I promise I was a beast at this. Oh, there might be a tank, y'all. Okay, never mind. We got a bunch of zombies over here. Damn it! Get off me! Oh my gosh! No. Tired of your BS, bro. I don't know if y'all got that, but the game just lagged so bad that I lost all game audio. Like, what the heck just happened? Oh, okay, the guns are over here. Oh, bro, she did, bro. She smacked her head on the freaking subway train. I just need the shotgun, man. The shotgun ain't no joke. Now let these idiots pick up the weapon. Alright. Hopefully we do not have a tank, but it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. I think I hear him. No, I think it's just zombies. What? Okay, we got a witch. That's not any better, but we can avoid a witch. Alright, she's close. I'm gonna pull out my pistol so I don't end up spraying her. Woo! Woo-hoo! Damn, he smacked his head on that windowsill. Woo! Get off me! Alright, Francis, I see you. I thought there was a zombie over here. I do not play with these zombies, y'all. It's war. It's complete war. Why the heck? He's picking up Molotovs. I was telling him to shoot. Woo! Alright, I'm gonna try to clear out all these zombies because when I open up this garage door over there, a whole horde is gonna start. So it's best to start with the least amount of zombies than starting, you know, with like 50 already there and then spawning in about 100 more. Now, usually what I do, once this door gets to about this height right here, I crouch under it and then I just run. But why I'm not going to do that right now is because we have not had a tank. So when I get up there, there might be a tank and then I'll be fighting that thing alone. Or, my luck, I'll run right into the witch. So I'm going to try to save the fight with my peeps. And hopefully, we all be cool. But I doubt it, because only one person has a freaking health kit. That's only because she kept it from last round. Now, I would put this canister of fire down and fight in this corner like I'm about to do, but I'm not going to put the canister down because someone's going to get dragged by a smoker. So I'm going to go in the corner. Here we go. We're going to bang it out. Nice. Okay, let's finish it, y'all. I thought that Poe was a zombie. Oh, who did I shoot? Zoe? My bad. Oh, I'm about to say he was fucked either way. I was killing him. Get off, Bill. They ain't beating the fuck out of all of y'all. She had the most health, but she was the first person down. Well, not the first person, because Francis already went down. But you know what I mean. Help her up, let's go. Alright, like I said, I'm gonna wait for them because I don't want to get caught on my own. And where's this witch at? See, look at that. I would've ran right into that. That's exactly what I'm talking about. Not my job! Francis is dead, y'all. How did they get past? Zoe! Run! Get in here!
Stop freaking out the damn witch.
Alright. If you jump out this window and land on these trash bags, you shouldn't take any damage. Alright, good. Now I'm waiting for them to get down here. Yeah, we have a tank. I hear him right now. My only solution is just run straight to the safe house. It's right down the street. Oh, shoot, what I get? It's so dark, I can't see shit. Alright, I'm gonna have to have full health. My bad, Francis. What you got in the way? Alright, I'm gonna take these pills. I think he's over here. Where's he at? I don't know where he's at. Bitch, trying to fucking throw. Oh my fuck, you gotta be kidding me. We're dead. It doesn't matter. We're dead. We're fucking dead, bitch. Alright, let's try that again. Yeah, take a freaking health kit this time. Gosh. It wasn't really their fault. The boomer got me. If you don't freaking heal yourself. No, he's not gonna make it if you don't take another health kit. And this dude still didn't heal himself. I am bewildered. These AI are so stupid. Alright, forget it. I'm out. Either keep up or get dusted. Oh my goodness, I suck. I thought he was a zombie, but he deserved it. I'm gonna let one of them heal me too. I'm not gonna heal myself. Yeah, but see, someone better come over here and help me. He took him! Y'all see this? Bill, what are you doing? Thanks, I guess. You said watch out, look behind you. I freaking dare you. Had enough of it, y'all. I'm done. Alright. I didn't pick up that ammo, but oh well, I'm just gonna keep going. Like I said, hopefully again, we don't, I think I hear the tank already, but I said hopefully I don't run into him. Oh, there he is. There he is, right there. But I got something for you today. That's right, come down. Oh, I threw that on all of us. Y'all probably want to run. 2 people down already. We gotta watch the rear. Bill, run! That motherfucker is after us, y'all. I have another choice but to run. No other choice but to run, y'all. Gotta leave him. Gotta leave him. Oh shit, let me grab this though. Come on. We gotta go. We gotta go, Phoenix. We gotta go. Alright, tank's dead. Now I just gotta run. Yeah, that's not happening. Is there a door over here they can spawn in? Alright, good. I just need one person right now. One person is good enough. We can wait for the others. Let me grab this Molotov. Alright, so let's go. Just us, come on. We good, girl. We good. We got this. Grab your hunting rifle. What's that shit? Which way they gonna spawn at? So I hear from that. Bitch! A fucking horde? Back up, Zoe. Like she can hear me though. I had no other choice, y'all. I had no other choice. We can't take the risk. Can't risk it. That smoker and that hunter still didn't come. I'm not stupid.
Weapons over here.
Alright, let's go, y'all. Go, Zoe. Fucking try to end his life. Come on. Oh, my bad, Zoe. You better give me a fucking second. Hurry up and help Zoe now. Damn, she took that thing down on the ground. That's what I said. That's what I'm talking about, Zoe. What? I knocked him back! So kind of like a little home run. We gotta get out of here, bro. It'd be better for me just to heal.
Everybody stop a sec. I gotta heal.
Alright, y'all, we about to just bounce. I'm about to just go. Alright, y'all, I'm out. Come on, go, get this. This thing go up slower, I swear it does. Get out of my way, ho! I'm out, y'all, I'm not on it. I'm not on it, y'all. I told you I'm not on it. I'm out. Oh, I incapacitated Francis, that's how you feel? Another tank! Y'all see how they do me? I'm going, y'all. I'm going. I'm ghost. I'm ghost, y'all. I'm ghost. I'm ghost. They ain't catching me. I'm ghost. I'm tired of it. I had enough of it. I'm going. Go, motherfucker. Get in the damn thing. Alright, I'm gonna end the gameplay right here with these bitches dying. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.